The living room and dining room spaces are adjoined in our house flip. It's a nice light space with nice wooden floors that will eventually refinish. However, there were two cracks in the coved popcorn ceiling. We debated scraping the whole ceiling, but opted to try to patch the cracks and paint it instead. Today we are patching the ceilings, popcorn ceiling, and we're gonna try this product. That's the only place that there's any damage, so we cut it out and we taped it up, and we'll prime it, and then we'll put this stuff on and put a couple coats and paint it. I think I like this product. I've just been putting it on with a paintbrush, daubing it on, and that is half patched, you can kind of see. And I think it's gonna look good when it dries. We'll maybe do a second coat, but I think it's gonna blend in really well. Happy with it. Final corner. First coat, we're gonna need two. How do I look? How do I look? Coat number one of the ceiling is done. It looks great. It's definitely gonna need a second coat. It's soaking it up like crazy, and I won't be able to lift my arms tomorrow, but the first coat's on. Okay, the ceiling has had two coats of paint. It looks great. And yesterday before I left, I did a second coat of the popcorn mix in both of these places, and I'm gonna repaint that now. And I think we'll call it done. I think it looks good. And again, I said I really like that product. We did two coats of it. Right now it's really obvious because, it needs to be painted, but I think once we paint it, it's gonna look pretty good. Pretty happy. This is the video of the after. You can see, the spots where we repaired it, but it's really, overall in the scheme of things, it's pretty good. And we're gonna have a light hanging up here. So here's the other spot. You can actually see them, but they're pretty darn good, considering everything. Maple, say good morning. Good morning, everybody. Anyway, that's the finished shot. Looks pretty good. Like I said, pretty happy with that product compared to what it was. It looks good. Thumbs up.